Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the machine and opening Windows Security. Log in as an administrator so you can change rules. Once you're ready, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Windows Security and open Firewall and Network Protection. This shows your active network profile. Make sure you note whether you're on domain, private, or public because rules can apply differently. That matters for reachability. Now you're ready to inspect allowed apps and inbound rules to see what's blocking your internet connection. Next, check which apps and ports are permitted. Click Allow an app through the firewall to see common exceptions. This often reveals blocked programs. Then open Advanced Settings to examine inbound and outbound rules in detail, because a single blocked port or wrong rule scope can stop traffic. Once you find the offending rule, disable it or properly edit the rules program, protocol, port, and scope to match your network. Make sure to use specific rules rather than blanket disables to reduce security risk. Finally, validate your fix by testing connectivity. Run ping and ipconfig/all, then open a browser to confirm access. If problems persist, temporarily turn off Windows Firewall to determine whether it's the cause, but only for a short test, then turn it back on. If disabling fixes it, refine the specific rule or restore a previous system point. If nothing helps, check third-party security software and network adapter drivers. Update or uninstall if they conflict. A single targeted rule change.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.